Today we're going to show you very unique handbags. Handbags are not just accessories, they are a statement of style, confidence and individuality. Every season fashion evolves and with it comes a fresh wave of unique handbags trends that allow people to express their personality in creative ways. In today's video we are going to explore the world of unique handbags that make them sound out the latest trends ruling the fashion scene and some creative ideas to help you pick or even design your next statement bag. So, if you are someone who loves fashion and wants to add a touch of uniqueness to your collection, keep watching till the end. When we talk about uniqueness in handbags, the first thing that comes to mind is the design. Traditional handbags often stick to standard shapes like tote, clutches, or crossbody bags, but unique handbags break them norms. We now see bags inspired by everyday objects, geometric patterns, or even art pieces. Imagine carrying a handbag shaped like a vintage radio, a book cover, or a piece of abstract sculpture. These instantly catch the eye and spark conversations wherever you go. The beauty of these creative designs lies in their ability to mix fashion with imagination, turning a practical accessory into a piece of wearable art. One of the strongest trends in recent years has been sustainability and eco-friendly handbags. More and more designers are experimenting with recycled materials, plant-based leather alternatives, and organic fabrics. These bags not only look stylish but also make a statement about conscious fashion. For example, handbags made from cork, jute, bamboo, or even recycled plastic bottles are becoming popular among people who want fashion that is chic yet responsible. This trend proves that a handbag can be both unique and meaningful, allowing you to carry style with a purpose. Another exciting idea gaining popularity is personalized handbags. Fashion lovers today don't just want a bag, they want a bag that tells their story. That's where customization comes in. From embroidered initials, unique patches, and charms to bold colors that match your personality, personalization gives your handbag a one-of-a-kind identity. Imagine walking into a garden with a bag that has your name or a symbol that represents something special in your life. It not only sets you apart but also makes your handbag truly timeless. Let's also talk about miniature and micro bags, a trend that comes the fashion world by storm. These tiny bags may not fit much more than a lipstick or keys, but they bring a bold, playful vibe to any outfit. Fashion icons and celebrities have embraced this trend, turning these little accessories into major style statements. Whether worn crossbody, attached to a longer, larger tote, or carried on their own, microbags prove that sometimes less reality is more. They are perfect for occasions when you want to stand out without carrying too much. On the other end of the spectrum, oversized handbags are also making waves. Large roomy bags that can carry everything from your laptop to your gym essentials are now designed with creative patterns, textures, and bold colors. These aren't just practical, they are stylish, often becoming the highlight of an outfit. What makes them unique is the mix of function and fashion, allowing busy professionals and students to stay trendy while carrying everything they need. Another fresh handbag idea evolves around unconventional materials and textures. Designers are no longer limiting themselves to leather or fabric. We now see handbags made from wood, resin, metal, mesh, beads, and even glass-like materials. For example, a transparent resin handbag filled with dried flowers or a wooden clutch with engraved patterns adds a surprising twist to your fashion game. These material experiments open the door to endless creativity, making handbags feel like collectible art pieces rather than just accessories. They come to fusion of technology and handbags in the modern world. Fashion is blending with innovation. Imagine handbags with built-in charging ports of your phone, LED lights, and glow in the dark, or even smart handbags that can connect to your devices. These futuristic ideas are slowly becoming reality functionality, and they are redefining how we look at accessories. A handbag is no longer just something you carry, it's something that works for you, blending functionality with futuristic flair. We also can't ignore the revival of vintage-inspired handbags. Retro style from the 60s, 70s, and 90s are making a huge comeback, but with a modern twist. Think about classic beaded clutches, embroidered purses, or old school boxy handbags that feel both nostalgic and stylish. Fashion is cyclical, and designers are constantly reimagining vintage ideas with fresh fabrics, bold prints, and modern hardware. The mix of old and new creative handbags that are timeless yet trendy. One trend that has really caught attention in the use of bold colors and artistic prints. Unique handbags are no longer limited to neutral shades like black, brown, or beige. Now we can see neon tones, pastel shades, and even handbags that looks like hand-printed canvases. Some designers collaborate with artists to create limited edition bags that look like walking pieces of art. This idea gives handbags a whole new identity, making them more than accessory. They become conversation starters and collectible items. Now, if you are something who like DIY and creativity, one of best ideas is to make your own unique handbag. With the right materials, you can design something that reflects your personality perfectly, adding handmade crochet design, beadwork, embroidery, even painting, or plain handbags can turn them into one of kind of masterpieces. Social media platforms are full of tutorials and inspiration for people who want to explore handbag customization at home. It's not just a hobby, it's a way to showcase your creativity while also saving money and wearing something completely exclusive. To sum it up, handbags are no longer just about function, they are about expression, creativity, and making a statement. From sustainable and eco-friendly materials to futuristic tech, from vintage revivals to bold mini bags, the world of handbags is bursting with innovation and ideas. The trend is clear, people are moving towards handbags that are as unique as they are. So the next time you go shopping, don't just look for a bag that matches your outfit, look for one that reflects your personality, tells your story, and makes you stand out in the crowd. Fashion is about experimenting, and handbags give us the perfect choice to play, explore, and shine. Whether you give a designer piece, pick something handmade, or create your own bag, remember one thing: a handbag is not just that you carry, it's who you are. Thank you.